Hello everybody, welcome. Now, I was watching a video yesterday, the one about travelling vlogs. He went to done a big burrito, 2 kilos I think he said it was. It's about 3 foot long or something like this. It was quite big. I thought I'm going to make one of them at home, but then I thought nah, because no one's going to eat it, only me. So I thought I'd make a burrito anyway. But I'll do a recipe. I'm going to do an El Paso one. So let me show you what I've got. Right, I bought 2 lots of tortilla wraps. Because I'm thinking if I've got extra, I can always freeze them. I bought 2 rice as well. It says microwave rice. I bought 2 of them. It only says use 1. But just in case, I got 2 season packs. I thought it says 2 packs, but it says 1.5 tablespoons. I didn't have my glasses on at the time, but there's 2 packs of them anyway. Some budget minced meat from Aldi. Some sour cream for the top. Some jalapenos. Sriracha sauce. And there's some cheese, but that's in the fridge at the minute. So first things first is we're going to get all the mince browned up first. I'm going to get my mince in. I'm going to get it all browned up, pans on. I'm not going to put no, what it says put 2 tablespoons of oil in. But that's got oil in it and that's got all fat in it, so I'm not putting any oil. So we're going to get that browned up for a bit. Right, I've drained all the oil off that, all the fat off that. And now it says 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning. 1 tablespoon doesn't seem a lot, you know, but that's what it says. Get it in. It says 2 tablespoons of jalapenos chopped up. So I've just done that roughly. 2 tablespoons of sriracha sauce. 1. It says if you don't like hot sauce, you can always use sweet chilli. That's what it says. And a pack of rice. And give it a mix. Doesn't say anything about any stock or anything. Thought I'd put a little bit of stock in there, but no. I don't know if it's going to be very dry. I might have to stick a little bit more seasoning there if I can't get it coated. We'll see. Doesn't say nothing about the rice either, pre-cooking the rice. Just put it in like this, it says. So, I know it's already pre-cooked, but rid of all the lumps. Should have squashed it a bit more before I put it in. Never mind. And I think I'm going to put a bit more seasoning now. That doesn't seem quite enough to me. Put a little bit more in. Right, turn that down for 10 minutes. Let it do its thing for a bit. I'm just going to give that a little taste. Make sure I've got the seasoning. The spice is there. It's a little bit dry though. Yeah, turn that off, leave that to cool for 10 minutes. Right, I'll warm my tacos up. I'll just put them in the microwave. My tacos with wraps. I'm going to get some filling. Bit of sriracha on top and then some cheese. I suppose the cheese will make it a bit more gooey, won't it? And fold. And it says poke it with a, what they're called, cocktail stick. Stop it coming apart, but if it stays underneath it'll be alright. I'm going to do all of them. Right, they're all done. Them 3 at the back got sriracha sauce in them. These ones haven't. That one's split, look. Because I don't think the family eat it with the sauce in the middle. And now, I'm just going to use my same bowl, the one that had the jalapenos in. You want another tablespoon of this, and a tablespoon of oil to go in the bowl as well, like so. Give it a mix. Which is like a kind of paste, but you ain't going to get much on there. I ain't going to do 8 with that. I might have to do a bit more. You've got to spread it over the top. We don't need a load, but... And there's no beans in, before anyone asks. There's only me eats the beans in this house, so waste the time. Right, in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Right, they're done. There they go. They're nice and crispy. Very crispy and they smell nice. So, they took about 20 minutes to go hard. So let's cut one open and have a look. Don't know whether there's enough cheese in them or what, but we'll find out. There it is. Much cheese in there? No, there's not much cheese, is there? Could do with a lot more cheese than that. Anyway, let's give them a taste test. Yeah, I'm not too sure about these ones. I don't know. The cheese doesn't, there's no cheese in there hardly at all. It does say serve it with some salad and sour cream. I haven't made any salad, but I've got some sour cream. So, let's have a taste first and we'll check before we do anything else. It's pouring down the rain now. Put that down. Gonna make a mess and I better get a plate. Yeah, there's not much cheese, look, if you can see. A bit disappointed with the cheese. It's very dry, very, very dry. That's what I'm saying, that's so dry. Oh, it's got a kick, that has. So dry. It's got a nice taste, but it's too dry for me. It's nice with the sour cream. Could have been a little bit more crunchy on top. It's crunchy underneath. It's okay. Could have done it a lot better myself. Would I do it again? It's not bad. You can eat it. But I could do better. I don't know. It's a tough one for me, this. For a cheap meal, I mean, I've done 8, and I could have probably got about 8.5 out of it. The whole lot cost me altogether £8, which is a pound of burrito, innit? I've got loads of cheese and that left as well, so, and another packet of rice, and another packet of the seasoned mix. So it weren't all £8 when you tell it just what you're having. But yeah, it's got a nice kick, but nah, it's too plain. We're not plain, too dry. Bit of not vegetable oil, a bit of stock in it or something, just to, you know, let the stock boil down or something. I don't know. Well, there we go. Anyway, I tried it. Next time I'll do one, I'll make my own recipe, I think. As I say, I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. That weren't the best. It was okay, weren't nothing special. See you later. Bye bye. Right, I've just ate that. I quite enjoyed it. A little bit dry, as I says. One of the lads has enjoyed his. He said it was a little bit dry. The other lad didn't even like it at all. But I think I've cocked up. It says here, line the baking sheet with foil and wrap. So obviously you've got to wrap it in foil. I've never done that. So maybe that's why I went a bit dry. I don't know. So maybe I have to revisit it. Me, because I ain't got my glasses on, not reading instructions properly. But there we go anyway. So that's your beef burrito, that's what it's supposed to be. Well, not nothing like that, did he? To be fair, but who cares? But I might have to revisit it anyway. And we'll see. See you later. Bye bye.